Let's unbox the Hygger Quiet Mini Aquarium Air Pump. This air pump can work on any aquarium up to 15 gallons. Inside the box, we have the mini air pump, the air stone, the air tubing, the suction cup, and instruction manual. To install the mini air pump, first we need to connect all the parts. First, stretch out the air tubing and connect to the air stone. Next, connect the tubing to the air pump. After that, you add the suction cup to the back of the pump. If it has trouble sticking, add a little bit of water to the suction cup. To add your pump to the aquarium, put a little bit of water on the suction cup and stick it straight to the glass. Insert the air stone into the tank and then connect it to power. That is the complete setup for the Hygger Mini Air Pump.